I mean, that's a really difficult question because, it's like in music, some of the best guitar players that live today are people that you've never heard of, right?
Yeah.
Right. And so some of the best SEOs in the world are people that you've never heard of, and they don't yet have that recognition, and they're maybe in some cases just trying to publish their first few pieces, and they could be great folks to work with. But to your point, if you don't really understand anything about SEO and you're trying to gauge who's who, that can be a very difficult road to go down. So I would say that, certainly I think being in the industry for, any kind of significant period of time is a helpful indicator that somebody might know what they're talking about. I'm not saying that, you can't be a good SEO after only doing this for a little while, but the longer that you've been in the industry, the more things that you've seen change and the more clients that you've worked with, the broader base of experiences you have to pull from to be able to solve problems for new clients. Because that's a lot about what SEO is problem solving, right? It's understanding the landscape, it's understanding the tools that are at your disposal, and it's about coming up with the best possible solution for a client given that set. So I think that the more somebody has experience in doing that, and the more clients that they've worked on that are similar to the business that you're involved with, the better off, the better the chances are that they're going to be able to help you.